Exploring the open road has never been more accessible, especially for those curious about the camper van lifestyle but hesitant to fully commit. Say hello to Biggie, a smartly designed rental camper van built by Native Campervans. Based on a Ram ProMaster with a 159-inch wheelbase and high roof, Biggie is an ideal entry point for beginners seeking a taste of van life without the hefty upfront investment. This American-built camper van brings comfort, simplicity, and style to the road, making it a compelling choice for weekend escapes or extended adventures. From the outside, Biggie keeps a low profile. Its plain cargo van appearance, free from extra windows or flashy features, makes it a perfect choice for stealth camping. This design offers both privacy and security, and it preserves interior insulation by eliminating extra glass panels. But the real magic happens when you slide open the side door. Inside, Biggie is thoughtfully laid out to maximize functionality while maintaining an open, minimalist look. The interior is crafted with white shiplap walls, a matching ceiling, and laminate cabinetry finished in natural wood tones. The cozy design is enhanced with a white-tiled backsplash and soft, dimmable LED lighting, a stylish yet practical touch for evening relaxation. Near the entrance, the kitchen area is compact yet fully capable. It includes a stainless steel sink with an electric faucet, a portable single-burner stove, and an isotherm fridge with a small freezer compartment. The stove can be used indoors or moved outside for a more immersive cooking experience. The kitchen also offers decent storage options, featuring several drawers, overhead cabinets, and a hidden water system under the sink. This simple plumbing setup includes two 5-gallon jugs for fresh and gray water, easy to manage and ideal for shorter off-grid trips. The rear of the van doubles as both dining area and sleeping quarters. Two long benches face each other with a sizable table in between. Converting this space into a queen-size bed is surprisingly fast. By lowering the table to bench height, sliding out an extension panel, and rearranging the cushions, the area transforms into a spacious bed measuring 80 by 60 inches. While there are no side windows, ventilation is achieved by opening the back and sliding doors, perfect for those summer nights spent gazing at the stars or enjoying a mountain breeze. Storage is also cleverly integrated. The benches hide sizable drawers and compartments accessible from the rear doors. While Biggie skips an onboard garage, the storage provided is ample for camping needs like gear, clothing, and cooking equipment. Since Biggie is tailored for rental use, Native Campervans kept the systems straightforward. The plumbing setup is basic but sufficient, and electrical power is handled through a portable power station that can keep devices charged and run low-energy appliances. This pared-back approach means less to worry about and more time to focus on the experience. Priced at $160 per night, with a current discount bringing it down to $149, Biggie offers serious value. All Native Campervans rentals, including the Biggie, are available at this price point, with a 3-night minimum. Additional fees apply, including a $500 deposit, $125 prep fee, environmental fee, and insurance. But these are standard in the rental industry, and the base cost includes all essentials like bedding, cutlery, soap, chairs, and a table. Optional add-ons like a propane heater, comfort kit, or tent are available for customized comfort. Biggie is not just a van. It's an invitation to try out van life without the commitment. It offers everything you need and nothing you don't. A clean, comfortable, and reliable setup for anyone looking to test the waters of the mobile lifestyle. With smart design and affordability on its side, Biggie makes van life dreams possible for everyone.